Today I have an EcoSmart Thermostat, and I'm going to show you how to use this EcoSmart Thermostat that I have in front of me. I'm going to go over how to turn it on and off, how to set the temperature in the room, how to turn on the heater and the air conditioner, as well as how to set the fan speed from auto to low to high, etc., etc., etc. I'm also going to show you how to set this from Fahrenheit to Celsius, as well as from Celsius to Fahrenheit if you need to be, as well as illuminate the screen and turn the temperature up and down, air conditioner and heater. So let's get started. So the first thing that you'll want to know when using this EcoSmart thermostat is how to turn it on. Now, if you look over here, there is a button that says on/off. This button right here is the button that you use to turn it on and off. I just pressed it, and you can look at the screen, and it is currently off. To turn it back on, all I have to do is come up to this button, press that, and it turns on just like that. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the fan speed. So right here, this is it. The fan speed is in auto, so it will automatically turn on and off depending on what the room temperature is set at. Okay, so it is an auto, but I can change this. If I come over here and see this fan button right here, if I press the fan button, it goes right here to low. And so what that means, it's low fan speed. So it'll constantly be on blowing air, but the heater or air conditioner will turn off after it achieves the temperature that is set. And we'll go over that in a second. So that is the low, and it also has a high. So it has the high fan speed. It'll keep on blowing air even after it reaches the temperature that it is set at. Although it will reach the temperature that it's set at, the air conditioner or heater function will turn off, but the fan will still be blowing even after it reaches that temperature. So that's if you just want circulation. And if I press this again, it goes to auto. Do you see that right here? So it'll automatically turn on and turn off by itself. All right. Once it reaches the desired set point. Speaking of set point, I'm going to go to that right there. So right here is the set point. You can change the set point by pressing these two buttons right here. Going up changes set point higher or warmer. Pressing this right here changes the set point to cooler, just like that, okay? Now, with this particular EcoSmart, it has the auto heater and air conditioner. So it will turn on the air conditioner if the set point is lower than the room temperature, which brings me to room temperature. The current temperature in the room is 72 degrees. So if the set point is lower than the room temperature, the air conditioner will turn on until the room temperature reaches the set point right here. Now, vice versa, or however you say it, excuse my French, if you come over here, the heater is right here. So this is the auto feature, so it turns on the air conditioner or heater depending on the room temperature and the set point. So if you want the heater to be on, all you have to do is set the set point higher than the room temperature. The room temperature is 72 degrees. If I want the heater to turn on and blow hotter air, I have to raise it above the room temperature. So it's 77 degrees at the set point right here. The heater will turn on, and it won't turn off until the room temperature reaches the set point. I hope that explained that part. Now, we're going to talk about how to turn on change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit, as well as to light up the screen. So say, for instance, it's dark in the room and you want to be able to see this screen, which is an LCD. So you're going to come up here and there's a button right here, and that turns it to a bright blue. All right, so you can see what's going on and you can make adjustments. All right, so now that we have that, in order to change it from Fahrenheit to Celsius and Celsius to Fahrenheit, you come up to this button right here. You see right here? There's an F and a C. If I press it, currently it is in Fahrenheit. It goes to Celsius right here, and now it's 25 degrees Celsius. So that's a set point, and it also shows the room temperature in Celsius or centigrade. Now to change it back to Fahrenheit, I just simply come up here and press this FC button right here. One more again, and now it's back to Fahrenheit. And that is how you operate the EcoSmart Thermostat, this particular one right here. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.